Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today I'm going to do unboxing of the Plaid box that I received. Now I'm part of the Plaid creative community, which means I'm a Plaid ambassador now. And this is the list of items that they have packed in this box for me. So let's start looking into the box. And this roller is to use on the Mod Podge surface to remove any wrinkles, and also you have the scraper to actually use it on the corners of the Mod Podge surface. That's such a cool product. I'm in just need of that. So I also have some of this beautiful Mod Podge. I have this purple one, and I have this satin Mod Podge, which can be used on any surface, I believe. And this is dishwasher safe Mod Podge. I wanted to give it a try on some of my mugs. And this is the shiny one, and this is the matte one, which goes on most of the surfaces. They also sent me a pack of 6 Ceramcoat pastel colors, and I love this light baby blue and this baby pink. This is so beautiful. I have this nice coral and yellow, and also beautiful lavender color, my favorite, and also light green. They also have 20% coupon off on orders of 50 plus free shipping until November 6th. So they also sent me a pack of Apple Barrel paints, which is bright red and bright yellow and darker blue, and of course black and white, and we cannot complete a craft without these two colors. I'm so excited to have all these paints. Thank you so much, Plaid, for all these products. And I have a bunch of FolkArt paints, and this is such a beautiful pink, and that's yellow, and beautiful red. I love that bright red. And that's another blue, and the lavender and orange. They're so beautiful, and I'm in need of all these colors. And I have this beautiful bluish green, like sea blue or sea green, and I think it's sea blue, and a yellow. And I have this multi-surface paint, and I'm going to demonstrate it in one of my pumpkin. And I got this beautiful silver and gold metallic paint. Now everything together. So I have this beautiful Mod Podges, and then I have this roller, and also set of paint brushes, the flat ones and the thin ones. Love all of these colors, and thank you so much, Plaid, for sending all these. So I'm going to demonstrate my paint using one of these pumpkin that I got from Dollar Tree, and it's a tiered pumpkin, and one is like a bigger pumpkin towards the smaller on the top. And I'm going to paint green, and this green I'm going to paint in 3 different shades. The bottommost would be the darker one, and middle would be like in between, and the top would be like the most lightest. And I'm also taking this set of my paint brushes that I got from Plaid. One is the flat one and one is the thin one. So let's get started. I'm taking a little bit of this green paint, and I started painting the green in the middle just to not disturb the letters. I'm painting around the letters with the flat brush, and I'm also going to take a thin brush to paint in between the letters, just like so. So I painted the middle pumpkin with a light green. Now I'm going to take the darker green and mix with this light green, and get a shade that will go in the bottom pumpkin. Now I'll use the same technique that I use for the middle pumpkin. I'm going to use the flat brush for the all around the pumpkin and the thin brush to paint in between the letters. So can you see the dark green and the light green together? I'm just loving it so far. Now for the top tier, I'm just taking the same green that I took for the middle pumpkin and I'm mixing with a little bit of white paint, and I'm going to get a nice lighter shade and I'm going to paint that on the top pumpkin. So this is my tiered pumpkin with all 3 different green shades. What do you think? I am just loving it. Now I'm going to take this Sharpie and highlight those letters on the pumpkin. There, my pumpkin is completely ready, bright and beautiful. So I am going to decorate him with some more fall decor leaves. So I have this multicolored fall leaves from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to stick those leaves in between the. I saw these leaves are looking like a little bigger and they're popping out of the pumpkin, so I thought of cutting them the half like that and then stick it so it looks nice and small and cute. So I think I like this look. Now my leaves are all ready, so I'm going to stick it with a dab of a hot glue in between the pumpkins, just like this. And this is my beautiful tiered pumpkin. So what do you think? This is the final reveal of my tiered pumpkin decor, and I also gave like a dark green, a mid green, and then lighter green on top, so just to give like an ombre effect, gradient effect. So I also highlighted the be and blessed and be thankful with the black marker and stuck some of the fall leaves in the tiers. So I'm just loving this. Let me know your thoughts on this, how you like it. So this is another project that I wanted to show. This is a beautiful pumpkin that I got from Dollar Tree. It's a ceramic one and it has a lid and a bowl kind of a look. So I'm going to use one of the Plaid multi-surface satin blue paint, and I'm going to paint this ceramic bowl using this paint. It's already beautiful. I'm just loving it already. I think I'm going to coat 2 or 3 coats, so just to get like a nice coverage. So I'll just paint the bowl and the lid without disturbing the golden paint of those lid handle. So the paint is dried and it's ready for the decoration, and I have this berry string in all gold and brown, and I also have this wooden laser cutout of the fall leaf, and I'm attaching this string of berry in a circular form just around the lid holder, and also attaching this wooden leaf and one of the pine cone on top. I'm planning to convert this into a candle holder, so I'm just taking one of this candle pack of 4, and I'm pulling the wick out of that candle and then attaching it with a dab of a hot glue, and I'm going to melt this wax and pour it in this pumpkin bowl. And this is my pumpkin decor, and this is a ceramic pumpkin which has a lid, and I painted the multi-surface satin blue, and I filled it with some wax, and I'm going to use this as a candle, and I decorated the top with some more fall floral stuff. I'm just loving this color. Gold and that blue is so beautiful. So let me know your thoughts on this.